pizza ovens are for pizza, but are they? Today we're going to test that theory with chocolate lava cake. Welcome to Bake It or Break It, where this is a series where I throw everything into my Blackstone pizza oven just to see what happens. On today's episode, chocolate lava cake. It's fast, it's easy, and it's probably reckless, but let's see what happens. Come on. So today we're gonna make it easy. We're just gonna use some Duncan Hines chocolate fudge with some Hershey's milk chocolate. Make sure you get the dark chocolate fudge from Duncan Hines is the best for this. Let's get started. All right, so we're gonna first dump our mix into the bowl. And then before we put the eggs, I learned this trick from somebody, I'm not sure what was her name, but we're using these ramekins. We're gonna spray them with Pam. We're just gonna toss a little bit of sugar in there. And then we're gonna take some of the cake batter and just sprinkle a little bit into each one and then coat the whole ramekin. Then just pour the excess back in here. And you should have something like this. And then just repeat for all of your, I have 4, so I'm just gonna repeat all 4. This helps with getting the edges nice and crispy. So now that I got all 4 ramekins ready to go, we're gonna toss in 2 eggs. Got some yolks. Don't get the yolks. No yolking around. Don't get the shell in there, because we're not yolking around. And then we're gonna go half a cup of oil. And toss that in there. And then just give it a good mix. Remember, only 2 eggs and a half a cup of oil. That's all you need. And you just keep mixing, and it's gonna get a little thick. Okay, a lot of thick. It's taking some muscles. And this is pretty much the consistency that you want. You want this thickness. All right, now that we got this thickness in, let's get into the bowls, into the ramekin. So then you just take, it doesn't stick to your hands, but I did just put gloves on. So you take a ball and you pat it down. Then you leave a little indent in the middle for your chocolate. So they should look something like this. And then just repeat the process. Now, because the pizza oven only has like a little bit of lip, or only a little bit of opening, I should say, I'm not gonna fill these up too much because I don't want it to go overcook or burn. Okay, after we put in the first layer and got our little indent there, we are going to take our frosting and then we're just gonna make a little dollop in the middle. Who am I kidding? Okay, a big dollop. It should go right in the middle, right where you made that little hole, or that indent, I should say. And they should look something like this. And then we're gonna just close it back up with more frosting or more cake batter on the top. And then just cover it up, and you should end up with something like this. And this is what you want to throw into your pizza oven. So then you just repeat the process all the way through. Your batter should be just enough to cover 4 ramekins. This one's gonna be a little on the skimpy side. Let's fix this one up a little bit. All right. Now that we got our mess and we got our 4 ramekins, let's throw them in the pizza oven. So since this is my first time doing this, I'm not really sure what degrees to put it on. We're gonna experiment though. We're gonna put it on 400 degrees for like 10 minutes. Right now it's sitting at 300 degrees. A little bit longer and we got to go. So it hit 400, and now let's just go ahead and just toss them in. We're gonna turn off our rotator and slide them in. We're gonna turn back on the rotator and pray that it doesn't burn for 10 minutes. Okay, we're at 5 minutes now. 5 minutes in, we're gonna check them. Oh, snap. Look at that beauty. Let's get a little bit longer. All right. Oh, it smells so good. I wish you could smell it. All right. I'm excited. All right, it's been 10 minutes. Let's take them out and see what we got. All right, okay. We got a little bit of burnt, but we can work with that. All right, we got them out of the oven, or no, got them out of the pizza oven. Now let's let them cool for about 5-ish minutes, and then we'll flip them over and see if we got lava. All right, this has been setting for about 5 minutes or so. Now let's flip it over and let's see what we got. Let me know in the comments. Do you think it's gonna be a bake or a break? Moment of truth. Woo! Look at that. Look at that lava. Top it off with some powdered sugar. Packed this too much. A raspberry on top. And there you go. And that's how you make chocolate lava cake in a pizza oven. And to top it off, we're gonna throw on some ice cream. There we go. It can be done. And just like that, you have lava cake in a pizza oven. Oh man, this is so good. So overall, I would give it a bake. The only thing I would do a little bit different, I probably would put it in for 7 minutes, not 10 minutes, but you can't complain. Look at all this yumminess. Oh man. It is so good. It's so easy to make. Until next time, catch you on Bake or Break.